Load your family into the 2018 Lincoln MKC. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Lincoln prioritized handling and performance with features such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, a power liftgate, and power seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.